I have a 2007 Nissan Pathfinder. Customer comes in with a no start, no crank signal. Battery's good. Starter is good, but will not send a signal to start the car. And he also complained about a odd transmission issue when he's driving, and then when he parked it, would not start. So I pulled the codes, and we have a code is a U1000 and a P0717. Basically, the U1000 is a networking communication error, and the 717 is a transmission input shaft speed sensor A circuit signal. So we found the fuse was blown right here. 10 amp fuse for the transmission control module. That means the transmission control module is shorting out. The module is inside the transmission. And the reason it is shorting out is because we have coolant getting into the transmission lines from the transmission cooler. You can see it's kind of hard to see, but this transmission fluid is cloudy, and obviously it's mixing with the coolant. This is what happens when you don't change your coolant. So the coolant makes its way inside the transmission fluid, gets into the computer, the transmission computer, and shorts it out. That in turn blows the fuse, shuts off the control module, shuts off communication to the entire network, and activates the immobilizer, so therefore you can't start your car. So make sure you change your coolant regularly and use good quality coolant, or this will happen to you. And it will cost you thousands of dollars.